like a single, independent woman with no kids. It's like I gotta fuck for everything. I mean, I gotta fight for everything. Don't be trying to fight me, okay? Cause like I will call the cops on you, especially if you black. Cause fuck that, we both gonna die tonight, okay? This is gonna be your last fight, okay? I'm not gender shaming, like I don't care, like you can be whatever gender you wanna be. You need some titties if you wanna be a whore.